Hello folks, today is another mining video. I'm gonna show you how you can make thousands of dollars every single day, right? Working a few hours on a computer or doing nothing at all. And what I'm gonna show you right here is what I've tried and is working out for me, and I'm gonna reveal it to you also, right? If you're new to watching this video, I'll urge you to go ahead and please smash out the subscribe button, because I'm doing videos like this every single day showing different strategies on how to make some serious money online. And what we're gonna talk about here is Digistore24, right? If you ever had a Digistore, I want you to comment below, right? Let me know if you ever had a Digistore. Comment, I know a Digistore. If you never had a Digistore, I want you to comment, I don't know Digistore, right? I want to know how many of my thousands of my views here know what I'm gonna talk about in this video, right? So what you're gonna do is, but before we get into that, guys, I want you to be very pay very attention, close attention to what I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna show you how you can utilize the whole system in your favor. So what you're gonna do here is actually head on to your browser. If you have a computer, you can do this on a computer, and move on a tablet. It works on all devices or in every country here. What I'm gonna show you works everywhere in every country. Alright, so stop complaining. I'm from I don't want to talk about that, but it's gonna work for you, alright? Trust me, alright? So you're gonna do, open your browser and type in the comment below Digistore, right? I know I've done a lot of videos regarding Digistore24. It's already here. So type in Digistore24 right here, and it's gonna as you can see right here. So what you're gonna do after seeing this result here and do this, click here Digistore24 on the first result that appears on the screen. And it's gonna open the Digistore homepage for you, as you can see right on in here. On my screen here, you're gonna see something very similar to this on your screen also, if you follow the steps in this video right here. So Digistore, as you can see, have a very beautiful user interface right here. And what you're gonna do is actually you're gonna log into your account, or you're gonna register a new account. You're gonna log into your account only when you already have an account on Digistore. But if this is your first time, what you're gonna do is you're gonna register an account, a brand new account, right? So, and the registration process is very simple, and I'm not gonna walk you through this. The process how to create an account on Digistore. It's very simple, guys. Trust me, it's very simple, as you can see right here. Your username, filling email, password, time zone. It's very simple. You can do this. Even a 5-year kid can even create a Digistore account. So I don't know what to say if you say you can do it. Of course you can, right? So what you're gonna do right here is I'm gonna log into my account, right? And I have a whole lot of different Digistore account, right? I have a lot of different account in Digistore alone, and I have my reason for that. But I have one specific account purposely for tutorial purposes like this on YouTube videos, right? So that's the account I'm gonna log into that. And right here, oh, I'm so grateful. My parcel didn't show up. I thought I was gonna. Should I click here? Oh, don't worry, I can give you my parcel, guys. I can give you my parcel. Should I click on that? Okay, I'll do that in the next video, right? So what you're gonna do here is I'm gonna log into my account. That's my Digistore email right there. So if you can just reach me out through that email. I might not reply because I'm always busy making money online. As you can see right here, here's my back office on Digistore. As you can see, promoted clicks here. That means how many times people click the product I'm promoting on Digistore, right? And Digistore itself, before we get any further, I want to explain what Digistore does and what is people doing and how it can help you make a lot of money. Digistore is an affiliate network, and when I say affiliate network, I mean it's a digital marketplace that sells a whole lot of digital products that you as an affiliate, you can get in there, grab any product they're very familiar with, and promote this product, and Digistore is gonna pay you in commissions, alright? So it's very simple. You can register as an affiliate or a vendor, right? And a vendor, you're gonna create a product, do stuff. It is very uneasy, it's difficult, but I'm not a vendor on Digistore, alright? I'm just an affiliate. And what I'm doing that's working out for me is what I'm gonna show right in this video. So don't worry, we're not gonna create any product. What we're gonna do is just grab the product that's already working, and I'm gonna review to you right in this video how to select the best product on Digistore. So it's guaranteed to make you a lot of money. So once you're here, what you're gonna do right here is head on to this section. Here's marketplace. Click on marketplace, right? It's gonna open the Digistore marketplace for us. As you can see here, we have a whole lot of different products on here. All these are digital products, right? And what you're gonna do right here, as you can see, the left pane here, we have a whole lot of different categories. We have dating, love, meal education, email marketing, personal development, and we have physical products as well, supplements and other stuff, right? As you can see, supplements, skincare stuff. But we're gonna, promoting digital products. That's working out for me, right? And what you're gonna do here is you're gonna select any product that you're very familiar with, and you're gonna promote these products, all right? And I'll recommend how to find the best product that you actually very familiar with. As you can see, the last point here, if you are very interested and know a lot about, you know, dating, love, and relationship, you're gonna click right here. You're gonna select any product under this section here. All right, you're gonna look, yeah, secret session right here, right? And you're gonna promote any of these products. I'm not recommending that you promote all of these products. You can just select one that's best working on in here, and you're gonna promote it's gonna make it sales, alright? And I'm gonna show you how you can promote the best selling products right on Digistore. Alright, this is one of the secrets I'm gonna reveal to you. I've done this, it's working out for me, and I'm gonna reveal it to you also, right? This is about love, dating, love, and relationship. If you're also familiar with internet marketing, making money online stuff, you can just click right here, right? Yeah. So if you're also interested in family, food, games, and a whole personal development, you just like any one of them here. So this is the internet marketing stuff. Making money online this year, and where this was working out for me. All right. So what you're gonna do here, we're gonna promote any of these products right here. I'm not recommending that you promote what I'm promoting right here. Right? Why it's working out for me might not work out for you, but it's guaranteed to work for you only if you take action and you believe in yourself. All right. So what you're gonna do right here is, as you can see, we can promote any of this right here, and the product you're gonna promote based on the commission you're gonna make is based on the product they are promoting. As you can see, a 2 mastery and monetization by Mapper. This product is paying out 50% commission, as you can see right there, 50% commission. That means when you make a sale, you're gonna earn $200. All right, $200 per one sale. As you can see, this product here is paying out 20% commission. That's $36. This product is 50% commission, $300. How many of you don't want $300 in the bank account right now? Let me know that comment below, right? As you can see, this product here is also paying $22, 70% commission. And you can calculate that by first looking at the product average price. You can see this product price average is $488, and it's paying out 50% commission. So you can do the math yourself. I'm not good at math, and you can do your math on it, right? So what you're gonna do right here is to find the best product to promote right here on Digistore. Look at the section here, right? Since my camera is a little bit blurred, okay, I think it's good now. So what you're gonna do is sort by, click here, popularity, and or sell, and per account visitor, publication date, sales rank, all this stuff. What you're gonna do is you're gonna select sales rank. Where is sales rank? Sales rank. Okay, here's sales rank. All right. Sales rank is Digistore is gonna sort out the best product that is actually making a lot of sales here, and you can also select right here popularity. The product that's very popular on Digistore under which niche you select is what's gonna be sought out for you. So as you can see, this product is performing very, very well here, right? As you can see, I have 4 stars right there. So this product is very, very good here, right? So what I recommend, you don't sell by popularity, you sell by sales rank, alright? Sales rank, that's why you're gonna sort it by, alright? Take note here. You're gonna sort it by sales rank, and as you can see, how to promote this product is actually very simple. Just come over here, click here, promote, right? Here is your affiliate link. Your affiliate links is what Digistore is gonna use to track your visitors, your clicks, and it is where this is the link that you're actually gonna promote. What I mean promote, this is the link that you're gonna share on social media as a text message or wherever you can share this on social media. Alright, and anybody that clicks on a affiliate link is gonna take them to the product sales page. So what I mean by the product sales page, let's click right here, sales page on this product here. Alright, so So once someone clicks on affiliate link, then you're gonna share on social media, maybe on Facebook, on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, whatever, right? It's gonna take them to this page here, and this is a sell page or the product that we actually promoting. And anytime one person buys this product on this sell page here, Digistore is gonna track that person's data, and you're gonna earn the commissions right here, $200. Very simple. So imagine if you can, share your affiliate link several times a day on maybe Twitter or whatever social media you're familiar with, and you can get only 5 people to buy the product you're actually promoting. You can do the math yourself. I'm not gonna talk. As I said, I'm not very good at math, so you can do the math yourself. But when it comes to calculating regarding the money, I'm very good at that. All right, so you can do the math yourself. Right, over $1,000, I think so. Right, yeah. So this is very simple, and I think anybody can do this. Just what I just show you right here, and you're gonna start making some sales. I promise you. If only you take the action, alright? So this brings us to the end of this video, and if you really enjoyed this video, I'll urge you please go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to this channel, because I'm doing videos like this every single day, showing different strategies how to make some serious money online. This what I show you here is what's working out for me, and I only show you what's working out for me, alright? If I try and that's not work, I don't bother myself, take my recorder and record this video and upload it. No, I don't show fake stuff here. Everything I show here is legit, and it's gonna help you if only you believe in yourself and take action, right? Believe in yourself, alright? And it's gonna work out for you, and take the required action. Guys, I love you. This is $1 billion boss. Let's go.